Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I just wanted to quickly come on here and give you guys a 2-week update on the rice water rinse that I tried a couple of weeks ago, and also wanted to give you a quick update on this temporary hair color that I put in my hair in my previous video. If you have not seen these two videos, see my description box so that you can reference back and see exactly what I'm talking about for this video. In the rice water rinse video, I did mention that, you know, I was a little skeptical about the hype of the rice water. I wasn't sure if it would do anything for me. Now in just 2 weeks, I can definitely see a difference in my hair. It's not in my head. At first I was like, am I bugging? Is it just me? I had about 2 or 3 of you hit me up in my last video when I was doing temporary color, say, hey Waldia, your hair is looking just a little longer, a little thicker. And yeah, I thought it was just me, but yeah, I have noticed a difference in my hair. Like if I detangle my hair with my fingers or even with my comb, which I rarely do with the comb, I'm noticing that I'm not getting as much shedding as before. My hair is a little thicker. It's not in my hair, y'all. It really is a little thicker, and I think my hair has grown a little bit. I would do, you know what, I'll do that in the next video. I would do a length check so that you guys can see exactly what I mean, but as you can see, my hair is done. I'm on my way out actually in this mohawk style, and I don't want to disturb the curls that I have here. I did the twist out, if you're wondering how I achieved this hairstyle. Did the twist out and then just pinned up the sides. You know, this is one of my favorite hairstyles to do. Somebody asked me how often I'm gonna do the rice water. I do plan on doing it twice a month, every 2 weeks. Now, I'm due for a wash, y'all. In my previous video, I put the color in, and I did say that I would leave the color in for 4 days and then wash it out, but I don't want to. I really don't want to, because this color in my hair is still popping. Like, y'all, has your hair ever been so like popping and nice and just like brand new that you just don't want to wash it out? It's time. I need to wash my hair. It's been 2 weeks. Okay, I need to go in and wash my hair and do the rice water again, because I want to keep up with the challenge just so that I can come back and give you guys my results. But y'all, this color, oh my god, like, it's not as bright as the previous as when I first put it in, of course, but it's still very beautiful. It really is. Some people were asking me, does the color bleed? It doesn't bleed, but I did notice that when I went back in, because my hair got kind of dry midweek, so I went in with moisturizer and a little bit of oil just to give my hair some, you know, life and get the dryness out of it. And I did notice that the red bled on my fingers a little bit, and I do notice a little bit of flaking like on my clothes. It's not too apparent. It's not like, if you're not staring really closely, no one's gonna be able to see, but I noticed it because it's on me, you know what I mean? I was paying attention. So it does flake a little bit, and I do think it's because I went in with a lot of product. I used a whole bottle. I did go in, I think, with a little bit too much product, and that's probably why I noticed a little bit of flaking. I noticed a little bit of flaking now, and it's not flakes from dandruff. No, it's the product, okay? It's the chalk. So yeah, I got you. I am gonna wash my hair in a couple of days, and I am gonna film that process and also do that rinse again, just to show you guys and give you guys an update on the length, if I did gain any length, and I think I did just a little bit. I do feel like my hair got a little longer in the past 2 weeks, and you have to give it time for it to work. I'm not expecting this to work overnight. I'm not expecting it to, you know, I'm not expecting to see major results in a week or 2. I do think I want to give myself time for it to work. I'm not gonna put pressure on myself, and I'm not gonna put pressure on my hair to grow at a length, you know, whatever. As long as my hair is healthy, as long as it's not falling out and I'm not getting too much shedding, excessive shedding, I'm good, y'all. And I always say I prefer health and thickness. I love thick 4C hair. All right, so if this challenge, if this rice water can help my hair be a little thicker, I'd be happy. I'd be a satisfied customer. And if it gets longer, that's cool. You know, I don't want my hair to be long and thin. No, I don't mind it being short and thick. That's what I'm going for. So that's what I'm hoping this challenge will do for me. All right, so let me give you guys a close-up of what my hair, look, mohawk, what? Look at my hurdle, okay? Let me give you a close-up of what this 4C hair is looking like. It's just super soft and just fluffy and thick, okay? And look at the color. Check out the color. how nice, and it's not as vibrant, but it's there, y'all. It's there. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell just so that you can follow me on this journey and keep up with the challenge with me, and so I can keep you guys posted to let you know if it's real or not, or if it works, if it doesn't, the pros and cons, etc., etc. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share and like this video and share it with everybody. Share it with your friends. If you have any advice, if you have comments, please leave it in the description box. Yo, I'm learning a lot from you guys. Thank you so much for giving me constructive criticism. Thank you for letting me know what works for you and what doesn't, because I can learn from you, and in turn I can probably help someone else, all right, in their journey. Thank you so much again. Until next time, bye.